Hello students, today our topic is force on a current carrying conductor. Before explaining of this topic, I am going to discuss Fleming left hand rule. I have discussed this topic in my last video. Now I will repeat the concept of Fleming left hand rule. In Fleming left hand rule, we will apply first index finger for this index finger. This is used for finding magnetic field from north to south. From north to south. Index finger, first finger is used to identify magnetic field from north to south. Second finger, it is used for investigate direction of current. So whenever magnetic field is moving, you will place your first finger for the direction of magnetic field, and second finger will place in the direction of current. So you will observe the movement of conductor, and this movement of conductor will show by thumb. You can see this is called Fleming left hand rule. Now we'll apply this rule, Fleming left hand rule, or this is called motor rule, on force on a conducting wire. Simply we place a DC supply with two wires. You can see we place two wires. First wire is connected with the positive terminal of battery or power supply, and second wire is attached with the negative terminal of the battery. And after this attachment of this wire, we place a loop, and this loop is passing through a magnet. This loop of wire is placed inside a magnetic field. So when we open current on a wire, so you will see direction of wire will be direction of wire. So first you will see magnetic field will move from north to south, north to south. So your first finger will show direction of movement of magnetic field, north to south. So you will see your second finger will show direction of movement of y. This is direction of movement in a current. This is direction of movement in a current, and here is the direction of magnetic field. So from north to south, north to south, this is direction of magnetic field. So first finger will indicate direction of magnetic field, and second finger will show direction of current. So you will see the movement will move, wire will move up, so thumb will move upward. So when you place any conductor or a wire inside the loop of magnetic field, inside this loop is placed in a magnetic field, you will find the direction of movement of wire or conductor by the Fleming left hand rule. So before understanding this topic, you must know Fleming left hand rule. So if we reverse the terminal of battery, we reverse the terminal of the battery, we place wire instead of positive we connect with negative Y, and negative terminal will connect with positive. So direction will be reverse. Direction will be reverse inside the Y. So what will happen? That according to Fleming left hand rule, this wire will move downward. Thank you very much.